YouTube. This is my rabbit grooming table I built. This is Campbell's Rabbitry. I built it myself. Um, you can see it have area to groom and it have area to put the grooming tools. Yes, I did it myself. You could send me. You could tell me how it look, if it look qualified or not. hmm We don't have these over here, so I had to do one myself. So thank you for watching it. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.